is Marcus and Lucas, and we got some budgies. Aww. So we are driving right now. We just got them from a bird rescue, and we did have another budgie, but he died.
Yeah.
So now we have two other ones, and they're pretty shy since they're new. They're really scared. But we already have a cage of our budgie that died. He died like a pretty long time ago, like a year, maybe less. And we have a cage for him. And I'm even wearing a budgie shirt. Budgiezilla. So it's since he was green, I had a green shirt, but now we have these ones. The blue one is mine. His name is Blueberry. And the yellowish, the like lime one is Marcus's, and his name is Kiwi. They're so cute. Can't wait to get home and pet them and just have them in their cages.